Hello everybody, my name is Marcello Mustor here at Oski Shoten to advertise Workers Unite, my recent book with them. This is a book that speaks about working class, and we are publishing this book at the time when working class is weak compared to the past. Trade unions have less members, socialist, communist parties have less power and less strength in comparison with the past. Is this only a Japanese phenomenon? No, it is not. It is something that is also happening in Europe. It is something that is also happening in other parts of the world. But there are some good signs of hope. There are new tendencies. There are new alternatives that are taking place in the world today. And for this reason, I think that Japanese activists, Japanese unions can think about the lesson of the book Workers Unite. That is, first of all, think globally. Think about connections in other parts of the world. Think about and learn about what is happening today in other countries in order to how rebuild trade unions, how reorganize political parties in new innovative forms, how to think about new issues and build new social movements, for example, in relation to ecology, which is a topic that is already included in Workers Unite, because it is not true that the labor movement was only thinking about economics, was only thinking about the struggle between capital and labor. It is very clear from Workers Unite that the beginning of socialism is full of other preoccupations. Then, of course, our focus around the big topic of labor, but these preoccupations are equally important for the leaders of the First International, for the workers who were struggling back then in 1864. So the message of Workers Unite to Japanese workers today is this one, is returning to the idea of international solidarity and returning to the idea that it is not possible to solve single issues only in one country, only in Japan, only thinking about that particular problem. But we have to return to the spirit of the labor movement, which is bringing workers from all the countries to think about the most relevant problems and try to resolve these problems together.